Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to talk about the Jamaat Islami of Bangladesh. They call it Bangladesh. They should not call it Bangladesh. And why we need to talk about these people. What is their past? They call it Islamic Party. Do they really understand Islam or they live with Islam? We need to talk about it. Those people who know Islam, only they can talk about Islam. The other people without knowledge, when they are in leading position, what is it? What is the education background of Ghulam Azam? Every people know it. He was a professor in political science. In political science, did he learn about Islam? So how he became the leader of a party who call it Islamic Party? Do he know Islam? Did he know Islam? Or did he live with Islam? Answer is no. What was the outcome? I'm going to talk about it. Then come one after another all the leading people in Jamaat Islam and their education background. Mujahid to all these people, Kamrul, whatever his name, Mullah, go and look at their education background. Did they want any Islamic school to know Islam? No. And what was the outcome? During the Pakistani period, Bangladeshi was the Muslim. Bangladeshi people was deprived of all the right as a citizen of a country. They don't want anyone to lead Pakistan who will be leader from East Pakistan. That time now is Bangladesh. We all know it. And economically, Bangladesh was deprived. East Pakistan was the neglected province. And it became very clear no development was going on in the East Pakistan. Everything went in the West. Did Sheikh Mujibur Rahman elected as a Prime Minister of Pakistan? Answer is yes. So why they not let him to lead the Pakistani? Because they are arrogant. In Islam, there is no room for arrogant people. Arrogant is the characteristic of the devil. And that was the Pakistani that time. I'm not talking all the Pakistani, but the ruling class of Pakistani. And the most ridiculous thing in Islam, they had said they are Islamic. They say Bengali are not Muslim. The leader have to lead, not the military leader. During the time of Caliphate Omar Farooq, Khalid bin Walid, he followed his command. What does the Pakistan right now? Military is running the government. What is it? They're sucking the people money and buying weapon, and people are in starving, and people are becoming poor and poor. Anyway, Pakistan give the election. Mujib elected. They don't want to let him to lead the country. What they did, they start killing Bangladeshi people. What the Jamaat did, they support Pakistan. Is there have any justice on here? Is there have any wisdom on there? No, because Jamaat, they don't know Islam, they don't live with Islam. All is hypocrisy. They are hypocrite. And what is the status of hypocrite in Islam? They are worse than idol worshipper. Bangladeshi was Muslim during the Pakistan period. And these Bangladeshi who live in Bangladesh, they still believe the Pakistani. Even the Pakistan did all this injustice to the Bangladeshi people. And now this is an independent country. Why Sheikh Hasina still led these people to vote in the election? Why Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina giving these people passport to travel outside the Bangladesh? They should not deserve to get Bangladeshi passport. I talk with some Jamati people on here. The way they are talk, the way their word, the way their language is, they are still hate Bangladesh, and Sheikh Hasina should consider this as a very serious consideration, and they should not. Sheikh Hasina should ask each and everyone that are anyone on there, they are Jamaat Islami. If anyone he find Jamaat Islami, he should stop issuing passport. The way they talk in the US or other foreign country, they are still Pakistani. Even the Pakistani insulting people, Bangladeshi people, did all the harmful thing, and these people doesn't have any respect for themselves, and they are seeking to harm Bangladeshi people. These people are dangerous. They are just organizing like this. They are. When I was as a 9th grade student, and it was totally hypocrisy to me. They told me the Islamic Party, they are not related to any Islamic Party. And finally, I found that they are branch of the Islamic Shibir, Chhatra Shibir is the branch of the Jamaat Islami. Then after 2 weeks, I just get out from there. And there's they are doing. They are seeking and waiting for the opportunity to take weapon against the Bangladeshi people again. They are dangerous, and because they don't understand Islam. They don't live with Islam. They don't know Islam. Just talk something. It's not the Islam. Look at all these scholars. Someone who is more lean to Jamaat Islami. What they are doing? They are showing their courage. They are all of this. They all are hypocrite. They are worse than the idol worshipper. So for my Bangla translation, হলো জামাতের নেতাদেরকে তাদের শিক্ষাগত যোগ্যতা আমাদের জানতে হবে। গোলাম আজম ইসলাম কি জানে? কিছুই জানে না। সে একটা ইসলামিক দলের নেতা হলো। এটাই হলো প্রতারকদের প্রতারণার বিরাট একটা হাতিয়ার। কিছুই জানে না ইসলাম সম্পর্কে, আর ইসলামকে ব্যবহার করে তারা সে সমস্ত কিছু করছে। সে কি পাকিস্তানে পালায়া যায় নাই? Did he not escape to Pakistan? Why he did it? Maulana Saidi, whatever he did, what he did, he approved what Jamaat did during their liberation period. Did Jamaat kill all the people? Help Pakistani to kill Bangladeshi? Yes. Why, with what kind of brain he has, he approved Jamaat, what they did in liberation period? Do we have to honor this head? Or he is also an hypocrite? He could be an hypocrite. How can he took the side of the Jamaat who killed Bangladeshi people? Where is his wisdom? Because he has an asset, he has a beautiful voice, he can talk. That's it, and Jamaat use it to mislead the people. What is the asset of the Jamaat right now? Some singer. This is their capital. They use these people, collect people, mislead the people. And why not government doing enough to prevent these people not to do this, not to mislead the Bangladeshi people? Young age, only 14, 15-year-old, they don't know about nothing, and these people approaching them, and they are collecting them, and they are brainwash them. Government had to do something for it. সো জামাত হলো একটা মুনাফিক, এরা হলো মূর্তি পূজারকদের থেকেও অনেক নিকৃষ্ট ইসলাম ধর্ম অনুযায়ী। প্রতারকরা হলো মূর্তি পূজারকদের থেকেও অনেক নিকৃষ্ট। সো পাকিস্তানের সময় পিরিয়ডে বাংলাদেশি ছিল মুসলিম, এটা অস্বীকার করতে পারবে জামাতের নেতারা? জামাতের নেতারা বাংলাদেশে প্রচুর লোক খুন করছে, এবং এইগুলা এখন মানুষকে, বাংলাদেশি মানুষের ব্রেন ওয়াশ করে কিছু জোগাড় করতেছে, এবং সুযোগ সন্ধানে আছে, পাইলে বাংলাদেশিদের উপরে ঝাঁপায়ে পড়বে এবং বাংলাদেশিদেরকে খুন করবে। এমন অবস্থায় শেখ হাসিনা কেন এদেরকে এখনও ভোটাধিকার দেবে? কেন এদেরকে পাসপোর্ট দেবে? আমি এখানে কিছু জামাতের লোকের সাথে কথা বলছি, তারা যেসব কথাগুলা বলে আমি একটাকে বলছি সাথে সাথে, তুই যেটা বলছস এখন, হোয়াট ইউ সেড রাইট নাও, ইট ইজ এ ট্রিজন, এটা রাষ্ট্রদ্রোহিতা। বাংলাদেশি আরও কিছু ছিল, তারা সাথে সাথে আমাকে সমর্থন করছে। এনিওয়ে, জামাত হলো একটা বিপজ্জনক। হাসিনা যাতে এদেরকে পাসপোর্ট না দেয় আর ভোটাধিকার না দেয়, এবং এদেরকে সংঘবদ্ধভাবে কোনো কিছু করতে যাতে না দেয়, এবং এটাকে নিষিদ্ধ করা হয়েছে কিনা আমি এখনও জানি না, পুরো নিষিদ্ধ করে দেওয়া হোক, এবং এটা নিয়ে যারা যা কিছু করবে সেখানে তাদেরকে অ্যারেস্ট করে জেলে ঢুকানো হোক, এবং এদেরকে সেনাবাহিনীতে নিয়ে যাওয়া হোক, এবং তারপরে এদেরকে পরিশ্রম করানো হোক, বিভিন্ন জায়গায় খাল খনন করবে, এটা করবে, ওইটা করবে, রাস্তা নির্মাণ করবে। জামাত যারা আছে মানে প্রশাসনের মধ্যে, সবাইকে বের করে দেওয়া হোক। ওকে, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।